Watching a video this morning on how to cut threads on a lathe. I'm just curious. I don't own a lathe. Never going to buy a lathe. I've never operated a lathe, but I wanted to see just how it's done. And I'm watching all that goes in to cutting threads on a piece of metal stock to make threads on it. This operation here to cut these threads on a piece of round metal is 1,000 times more complicated. 1,000 times more complicated than picking stocks on Wall Street to make money. It's amazing how complicated this is and how uncomplicated stock picking on Wall Street is. And yet it makes 1,000 times more the money.